Good morning, students! This is your teacher Mondi. For today's video, we are going to discuss about geometric sequence. I have here 3 objectives that we are going to achieve by the end of this video. First is to define what is geometric sequence. Second is to solve problems involving geometric sequence. And third is to relate geometric sequence into a real-life context. What is geometric sequence? According to Wikipedia, geometric sequence is a mathematical sequence of a non-zero number where each term after the first is found by multiplying a previous one by a fixed number called a common ratio. So for example, in a sequence of 2, 4, 8, 16, so what is the next number of 16? Based from the sequence, so obviously the next term would be 32 because the common ratio there is 2. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. Let's solve another example, but this time I want you to answer this. In a sequence of 1, 3, 9, 27, what do you think would be the next term? So the next term after the 27 is 81. Why? Because in a sequence of 1, 3, 9, 27, the common ratio there is 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 9 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. In a given sequence, it is easy for us to identify the next term. What if there's no sequence given? For example, a sub 1 is equal to 1 and common ratio is 3. We are going to find for the 5th term. How would you answer that? Don't you worry! Of course, we have formula to be used. The formula of finding the nth term of a geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to n minus 1, where r is the common ratio, a sub 1 would be the first term, and n is the placement of term in the sequence. So looking back on our example where our a sub 1 there is 1 and our common ratio is 3. So by substituting into the formula of our given, so we have here the a sub n is equal to 1 times 3. N is the placement, since n is the placement of the term in the sequence, so since we are looking for 5th term, so our n there is 5, then minus 1. So we have here the 1 times 3 raised to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And we have here the 3 times 3 raised to 4. And then 1 times 3 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 81. And 1 times 81 is equal to 81. Therefore, our 5th term is 81. Here are some applications of geometric sequence in a real-life context. First is the population growth. Each generation of a population can be seen as a geometric sequence, where each population size multiplies by a certain factor each generation. Second is the financial investment. Compound interest grows exponentially, making it a geometric sequence. Each period, the amount of money increases by a certain percentage. And that's the end of our video for today. I hope you learned something. Again, this is your teacher Mondi, now signing off.